How to discuss data exfiltration without speculation. Clear, precise English. Ransomware isn't only about scrambled files. Modern crews often threaten double extortion. They encrypt systems and may also steal data to pressure payment. That means your words in an incident notice can affect legal exposure, customer trust, and regulatory timelines. Sloppy phrasing like, "no data was taken," can backfire if new evidence appears. In this micro-lesson, you'll learn how to report only the facts, flag uncertainties responsibly, and avoid risky guesses. By the end, you'll have practical language that is precise, calm, and defensible, useful for executives, customers, regulators, and your future self. Great incident writing starts with two questions. What do we know? How do we know it? State observable facts and cite the source. We saw outbound spikes in firewall logs. Avoid verbs that sneak in certainty, words like prove, confirm, definitely, stole, unless you can back them up. Instead, separate three lanes. Indicators, what you observed, likelihood, your assessment, and unknowns, what remains to be determined. Example, indicators suggest staging activity. Exfiltration is possible, not confirmed. We lack packet capture before 3 o'clock, so outbound volume is unknown for that period. When discussing potential data theft, list concrete artifacts. Examples: proxy/firewall logs showing large outbound transfers, EDR alerts for archiving tools, DLP hits on sensitive patterns, forensic traces like staged zip files, or cloud audit logs of unusual object reads. Describe the method you suspect. Files bundled in a staging folder, then uploaded to an unfamiliar domain via HTTPS. Name your sources clearly: EDR, DLP, firewall, VPN, S3/blob audit, or CASB. Specificity lets readers understand both the signal and the confidence behind your conclusions. In fast-moving incidents, say what you can, carefully. Use phrasing like, "no evidence observed so far," rather than "no data was taken." Explain visibility gaps, missing logs, encrypted tunnels, or devices outside monitoring. Tell people what's happening next and when. We are restoring firewall logs from backups and expect an update by 1400 Coordinated Universal Time. Time-bound, testable commitments build trust. Also note ongoing work streams, forensics, log enrichment, partner notifications, and legal review. Transparency about limits plus clear next steps beats overconfident claims every time. Prefer precise, time-stamped sentences. We observed X at time Y via tool Z. Example: we observed 12 gigabytes outbound to 203.0.113.5 at 2:41 via Palo Alto firewall logs. Avoid: attackers stole data unless you have verified exfiltration. Use structured bullets for each claim. What, the event, when, timestamp/time window, how, tool/source, and how confident, assessment. This format keeps your narrative consistent across teams and updates, reduces debate over wording, and makes audits simpler. Tag every assessment with a clear confidence tier. For example, confirmed, direct evidence like files on attacker server, probable, multiple strong indicators, partial gaps, possible, some indicators, significant gaps. Define these tiers upfront in your notice so readers interpret labels consistently. Then link each claim to findings. Exfiltration is possible based on DLP hits and staging folders. We lack packet capture. If new evidence arrives, update the tag and the supporting artifacts. Consistent confidence tagging prevents misunderstandings and premature headlines. Different audiences need different depths. Align timelines with disclosure laws and any breach clock that starts when you become aware of a likely impact. For customers and employees, write plain language summaries: what happened, what it means for them, and what you're doing. For auditors, regulators, and insurers, keep a technical annex: artifacts, timelines, tool outputs, and decision logs. This layered approach keeps messages clear, meets legal obligations, and avoids overwhelming non-technical readers while preserving detail for due diligence. Use this structure for fast, credible updates. 1. Scope: systems, data types, and the time window affected. 2. Findings: key indicators with sources and confidence level for each claim. 3. Impact: what is disrupted, who might be affected, and potential data categories. 4. Next steps: containment actions, monitoring, notifications, regulatory engagement, and review milestones with timestamps. Example: scope: finance file server, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock coordinated universal time. Findings: staging folder found, EDR probable. Impact: file access delays, possible exposure of payroll extracts. Next steps: isolate server, enable packet capture, customer notice decision by 1600 coordinated universal time.